With Uganda doing what it can to contain the Ebola outbreak, actions like a lockdown in the most affected areas and sensitizing the public about prevention, some sectors of the economy are feeling the ripple effects. The hospitality industry, a big foreign exchange earner, has been heavily affected by the pandemic.
For the clients that we had outside, they were willing, they've cancelled. A lot of them have cancelled, not just willing. Some postponed, yes, because that would be better.
Basically, our markets, the biggest being the US and the UK and Germany, when those three countries actually issued travel advisories to their citizens against traveling to Uganda. Then they added on them other measures such as forcing them to land onto certain airports rather than their own airports where they're coming from, say maybe Texas. And as a result, most of the tourists are finding it very expensive to fly in here.
The blame is being apportioned on news pieces and social media that they say have portrayed the situation in the country as dire.
When you Google about Uganda, put it on, like just Google randomly, you see like the entire first page, they're talking about Ebola ravages Uganda. Cases continue to increase.
People think it's all over Uganda. That's how it is being communicated out there.
For an industry that was hit hard by the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020 and 2021, causing tourist arrivals to fall by 69.3% and the tourism sector to lose more than 3 trillion shillings, according to the Ministry of Tourism, those in the industry have lost their optimism for recovery.
Hotels will tell you, no, I'm not refunding, but we can reschedule ahead. You get the point? Or sometimes if you're cancelling, they ask to give you a particular amount of money, not all.
We've already received money, and we are having to send back the money. Well, we have convinced some to actually postpone maybe to next year, but the challenge with that is that we don't know if it will be over by next year.
They want the government to find solutions.
By offering credit facilities, by offering some subsidies here and there, otherwise it's bad.
Ministry of Health statistics show that there are 130 confirmed cases of Ebola with 43 deaths and 45 recoveries. 40 people are still admitted in hospital, while 2,183 contacts have been listed for follow-up. Mwesigye, NTV.